we have approximately 300 dogs and cats in our care.
Tallest dog award.
No more dogs. My name's Cutie.
Hi, Cutie. Well, here's our MC.
This is Chop, and this is Chula.
Hello.
They're brothers and sisters, and they were once residents at the Humane Society long time ago.
Awesome. You guys got a great home. You probably know that, though, don't you?
Home now.
Have fun.
Thanks, Tim.
So cute. Glad you're here. Aw. Pebbles, huh? You're a good-looking dog.
Sniffing time.
Yep. Yeah, crossing the finish line first. Not really a priority. Jade, where'd you finish, buddy? Where'd you finish?